So you got a Can-Am Maverick X3. You ride a lot. Yours is fairly stock. What do you think about the opening in the doors?
Personally, I think it sucks.
We were riding last weekend in the Hatfield-McCoy trails in West Virginia, and we had one guy up there who didn't bring his machine at all because he didn't have doors, right?
Right.
And he had them ordered.
And we teased him all weekend long.
And then he came back and teased Jeff, because this is Jeff's brand new 19 Can-Am X3 XRS, and he teased Jeff the rest of the weekend about where the rest of his doors were.
Yeah.
And as you can see when you look inside here,
I wish I would have had the rest of my doors.
we almost got out a bag and taped the bag down there like you broke a window on a car.
But at that point, it was too late.
In all seriousness, I mean, you can see here the amount of mud. You can't even tell that that's a silver bar on the bottom, and it's caked all throughout the inside. And on my machine back here, I have the factory plastic doors, which are an option, but they're not the best of all options.
No, they're not a sealed car door, but they're going to keep out.
They did a better
80%.
job. You can see that everything down here is black. Now, we did wash this halfway through, so there's some mud inside here. But either way, there are other options. Assault Industries makes a full aluminum door skin. And we're gonna walk you through that installation process and show you what it looks like and compare it to the factory door skin. So to start the install, basically just take off the old doors, and there's a lot of bolts that need to be taken off, a few nuts, but it's very simple, easy. Don't go at it with too heavy duty power tools. The only thing that stuck us was
there's one rivet on each side that you've got to take out, and it tends to spin on you when you start drilling it out. So
we found that we just had two people there, so somebody took a set of pliers up in there, held it in place while the other person drilled it out. And I think installing these doors is going to be a lot easier with two people.
Definitely.
We had one guy that would hold them up, the other one would kind of line us up, get us in place, and then just start to put the screws together by hand.
Don't tighten anything down until you're sure the fit is where you want it. You might have to do a little finessing on it, but all in all, they come out real nice.
Yeah, once they're together and you can kind of just hand tight things up left and move them up and down, you'll find exactly where these doors need to go. Now, the one thing that I noticed on these doors is that they do not have any weather stripping on the inside. They are just plain metal. And I think for us, we are going to try to add some.
I'm going to see what I can find, seal it up a little bit on the front.
And I think the next thing that we have to do is get some vinyl.
Put some graphics on it, make it look more like factory.
They look good the way they are, but they take a little bit away from the silver and Can-Am red machine.
If it was an all black machine, it'd be perfect.
It might work a little bit better. You'd still have that nuance between the flat plastic and the flat black and the gloss black, but either way, I think these are a nice addition as they sit up nice and high. They're very, very lightweight, so there's not much to them in that portion of weight. They are crimped and rolled and welded on the edges, so everything came through. The black powder coat was excellent. If you're looking for a set of doors, this is a great place to start. We'll put a link in the description below that'll help you find these and where we got them. I think that this is a great way to get a little bit better quality than factory.
I agree with you 100%.
I hate to keep bagging on the factory stuff, but I've got it fully on my machine, and every time we add something over here, it starts to make me go, I wish, I wish, I wish. So thanks for sticking around with us, guys. We appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and give us a like in this video. We also have a lot going at workshopaddict.com. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.